Today we're tendering from Adventure of the Seas to Grand Cayman. For many seniors, this part of the cruise can feel a little overwhelming. So I'm going to walk you through the process step by step with tips to make it safe, comfortable, and enjoyable. When a port uses tenders, the ship makes announcements to let everyone know where to go. You'll usually start in a lounge or theater where tender tickets are handed out. Many seniors want to arrive a little early to find a good seat while waiting. It's less stressful that way. If you booked an excursion through the cruise line, don't worry. You'll get priority boarding so you won't miss your tour. The waiting areas are comfortable and the crew keeps everything organized, but this is a good time to be patient. Once your group is called, it's time to head down to the lower decks for boarding. Boarding the tender means walking down to the waterline, where smaller boats are tied up alongside the ship. For seniors, this part can feel a little tricky because the boat may move slightly with the waves. Take your time, use the handrails, and accept help from the crew. They are always right there with a steady hand to guide you safely aboard. There's no rush. Everyone gets their turn. Once you step inside, the rest is smooth sailing. Inside the tender, you'll find rows of benches with enough seating for everyone. The ride is usually just about 10 minutes, but if you're prone to motion sickness, sitting closer to the front can feel a bit steadier. The rocking is gentle most of the time, though it depends on the weather. If it helps, just focus on the horizon and enjoy the fresh sea air. This is also a nice moment to sit back, relax, and get your camera ready for some beautiful views. As the boat pulls away, you'll see Adventure of the Seas from a whole new angle. From down here, the ship looks absolutely massive compared to the small tender boats carrying passengers back and forth. It's just one of the best times to snap a picture of your ship with the wide open ocean in the background. The ride passes quickly and soon you'll see the coastline of Grand Cayman coming closer and closer. When the tender reaches Georgetown, the crew ties it securely to the pier and passengers step off one row at a time. Again, take your time here. The steps can feel a little uneven, but crew members are nearby to assist. Once you're on the dock, you're officially in Grand Cayman. Shops, restaurants, excursion meeting points, and the island's famous beaches are all just a short walk away. It's an easy, straightforward process and part of the charm of visiting this island. And that's what it's like to tender from Adventure of the Seas to Grand Cayman, from a senior traveler's perspective. It does take a little extra time and patience, but with a few simple tips, the process is smooth and stress-free. Thanks for joining me on this tender ride from a senior's perspective. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our adventures. Fun in Grand Cayman.